You're going to want to make sure that the unit is unplugged. And we're going to take this 1/4" screw out of here. Right here is a 30 amp slow blow fuse. We're going to pull that out of there. I'm going to place my meter on continuity and test this fuse. Okay, that fuse doesn't have any continuity in it. It is blown. A lot of times that happens with a voltage surge. So here is the General Electric part number. And this is the little fuse part number. It is CCMR 30 amp and it's rated for up to 600 volts. And we're going to go and replace this. Okay, I got my new fuse today. We'll go ahead and install it. We'll put our cover on, line these 2 tabs up, those 2 slots. There's a screw in there.